Imagine an AI that doesn't just guess answers, but thinks like a team of specialists. Not one giant model, but a dynamic group of experts, each brilliant in their own field, working together to solve problems. That's the future of AI, and it's called MEXA. Let's break down how this groundbreaking framework is changing the game. So, what's the big deal with multimodal reasoning? Think of it like this. When a doctor diagnoses a patient, they don't just look at a single symptom. They check lab results, medical scans, and patient history all at once. Traditional AI models are like single specialty doctors. They're great at one task, but struggle when data gets complex. If you throw in audio, 3D data, or math equations, they often crash. Enter MEXA. This isn't a one-size-fits-all model. It's a smart coordinator that taps into a pool of pre-trained experts. Imagine a librarian who knows exactly which book to pull for your question. One expert might specialize in medical images, another in decoding equations, and another in analyzing audio. When you ask a question, MEXA doesn't retrain these experts. It just chooses the right ones on the fly. Here's the magic. MEXA has two key parts. First, a router that reads your input, like a video, a chart, or a medical scan, and figures out what skills are needed. Then an aggregator that stitches together the expert's answers, like a detective piecing together clues. It's not just about getting an answer. It's about understanding how that answer was reached. Let's say you ask, "What's wrong with this patient?" The router calls in the medical image expert to analyze the scan, the text expert to pull notes from the chart, and maybe even a language model to interpret symptoms. The aggregator combines these insights into a clear, step-by-step explanation. No more black box answers, just transparency and accuracy. Why does this matter? MEXA is training-free. No need to retrain models for new tasks. It's flexible. It adapts to videos, audio, 3D data, or even math problems. And the results? In tests across medical diagnostics, audio analysis, and 3D understanding, MEXA outperformed existing methods by up to 12%. That's not just a win, it's a revolution. This isn't just about smarter AI. It's about rethinking how we build systems. By embracing modularity and collaboration, MEXA shows that the future of AI lies in teams of specialists, not lone geniuses. Imagine an AI that can analyze a surgery video, a patient's voice, and 3D scans, all simultaneously. But how does MEXA actually work? Let's dive deeper. At its core, MEXA uses carefully crafted prompts to guide each expert. For example, one might get, "Describe this image like you're teaching a class," while another hears, "Give me the shortest possible summary." These prompts act as role assignments, ensuring each expert focuses on the right task. Researchers tested MEXA on some of the hardest challenges around. Take Video MMMU, a dataset that pushes AI to learn from educational videos, and SQA3D, where questions like, "How many pictures are in this bathroom?" force the system to visualize 3D spaces. In one test, MEXA analyzed a video about wrist fractures. A medical image expert identified the fracture type, Smiths versus Calls, while a video expert tracked motion over time. Together, they nailed the answer, option C. Another test. A 3D bathroom scene. Two experts described the layout, both agreeing there was one picture on the wall. No confusion, no debate, the answer was clear. This isn't just about accuracy, it's about reasoning. MEXA's modular design allows it to combine insights from diverse domains, mimicking how humans approach complex problems. What makes this stand out? It's not just about using multiple experts. It's about choosing the right ones and combining their insights in a way that mirrors human reasoning. This could transform AI from a one-trick pony into a versatile problem solver, whether it's diagnosing medical issues or helping you navigate a virtual space. So next time you see AI cracking a tough problem, think, maybe it's a team effort with each expert playing their part. MEXA isn't just a technical achievement. It's a glimpse into a future where AI thrives on collaboration, not isolation. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the science behind the tech.